In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your store using the Hostinger website builder in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up an online shop for the first time or simply looking for a refresher, this tutorial is here to guide you through each step of the process with ease and clarity. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hostinger website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Websites tab in your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Now this will bring you to a page where you can manage all of your current websites and stores that you have hosted with Hostinger. You should see an option to click on Manage Store. This is where all of the magic happens. Once inside your store management dashboard, you'll want to look for and click on the Products option. Here you'll be able to see an overview of all the products you currently have listed, as well as the ability to add new ones. To add a new product, simply click the Add Product button. This is where you can begin to input the details of the new product you'd like to offer. When adding a new product, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the specific product from your inventory or catalog that you want to add. After you've selected the product, it's time to bring it to life with some images. You can upload an image of the product to give potential customers a clear visual of what they can expect. Adding high-quality images here can truly make a big difference in attracting attention. Next, you'll need to give your product a title. Think of something catchy that contains all the essential information like the name and a relevant characteristic. Following the title, there's space for a subtitle. This is a great opportunity to provide a little more context or highlight a unique selling point of the product. After that, you can assign the product a ribbon label if you want. This could be something like new, bestseller, or a similar tag that might draw extra attention. Now it's time to craft a compelling description. Here, you describe the features, benefits, and any other relevant details that could convert a browsing visitor into a committed buyer. Transparency and clarity will help build trust with your customers. Once that's complete, include the product's price. Make sure it's accurate, and consider your pricing strategy, whether competitive, value-based, or otherwise. As an optional step, you might want to add additional information sections. These could include things like sizing charts, ingredient lists, or other specifications that could assist customers in making informed buying decisions. Before finishing up, you have the option to click Options and Custom field, allowing you to further personalize and categorize the product to fit specific needs, whether it's setting up variants like size or color, or categorizing the product for easier navigation. These fields are extremely useful. Make sure everything is filled in correctly, choose the appropriate categories for your product, and finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your hard work is recorded. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a product to your online store using the Hostinger website builder.